So let's all have first the importance or information about an environmental and waste management. So in the same municipalities or cities, this is very important and we are somehow thankful to the government, the implementators, the mayor, the barangay captains with regards to this program. So as people, we need to preserve our nature. We need to participate this kind of activities in order for us to live healthier and to have a clean air and clean water to consume. And of course, we have to do it also on our own to participate and encourage others to do the same in order to a fair share to others and let them also be educated about their habits on throwing garbage everywhere and the way they keep their garbages at home, and it is for everybody. This environmental and waste management is for everybody and for the benefit of our ecosystem and the welfare of people. Good evening. So this is Central Environmental and Waste Management from the city of Davao. So this city ordinance number 0280-06 is in order to achieve a clean and green Davao. And this policy plays an important part of maintaining a city. But more than that, the thing Senro Davao go to the extent in implementing this ordinance and gained some appreciations and awards. So let's talk about the history of this environmental policy. So the policy is revised in 2020 and make this a full implementation. For the 2020, the Centros, our ICC personnel they conducted orientation seminars regarding the Davao City's solid waste management programs to schools, establishments, and barangays, which was participated thousands of persons, and especially to the barangays in order to monitor as well as to get a progress of achieving their solid waste management programs. So what is this all about? This is about they focused on waste management and natural resources operation. So these were the consistency on information and education campaign on the proper waste management program to inform individuals how to segregate their waste. As individual things was I already going towards the zero waste is first is reusing plastics, choosing reusable straws, saying no to plastic cutleries and etc. As compliance, the city, the Anti-Smoke Belching Unit or ASBU, provides regular monitoring and apprehension on these vehicle exhaust that they ensure that the safety of the air or to provide a clean air to breathe. So next is this compliance is the used cooking oil collection. So imagine this cooking oil is processed to become a biodiesel or gas. So instead of being a waste is it become useful in other ways. Prevention. So in order to prevent air pollutions and hazard to health to the people of Davao, they collect of biodegradable waste from public markets and processed into some fertilizers, and this will be processed at the Senros composting facility in order to divert waste into something useful, and it is ideal for materials such as biodegradable to be utilized as nutrient soil, which will be essential in growing crops. Also, the residual and hazardous waste. So this is very important of a city to bring those garbages or hazardous garbages into far places like in rural places to somehow keep the people s- in a safe way. So this is an ordinance number 0361 or dash 10 or the Davao City Ecological Waste Management of 2009. So that Sendro shall be responsible for the collection of residual and special waste. Thus, so as improvement and the aspects by of their hard works, the teams in Rose de Davao received the Asian Clean Tourist City Standard Award in 2018 and 2020. So the criteria and requirements set by the ASEAN Clean Tourist City Standard. So the standards include a solid environment management program, cleanliness, waste management, awareness building, environmental protection and cleanliness, green spaces, health and safety, urban safety and security, tourism infrastructure and facilities. The second one is the 2017 Lunhao Awards. So this is about planting even in urban places. Th- Somehow they can provide plants, wealthy plants in their backyard, and those garbages can be converted into some products to earn. So as you can see, this person reuse those garbages and can become any garments or any useful to us humans. And that's all. And thank you for listening. Good evening to